Hey guys, welcome. In the last lecture, we created the bottom navigation bar. Now, in this lecture, we are going to be able to navigate between each bottom navigation bar item we have. Now, in order to do this, first of all, we have to create a variable. So over here, we can create a variable and we can call this underscore page indents. Now, the reason for this underscore is because we want to make this variable private. That is, we do not want to be able to access this variable outside this file. Okay, and now we can set it to 0, which is basically referring to the first page. Now over here, it wants us to specify the type of this variable. And you can see basically this variable has a value of 0, which is a number or a type of int. So what we have to do is to specify the type of variable. It is a type of int. Okay, great. Now within the bottom navigation bar, it has a property known as current indents. For the current indents, we are going to set it to the underscore page indents, which is set to 0. So it is basically referring to the first item we have, and that should be the home bottom navigation bar item. Okay. Now also, within the bottom navigation bar, it has a property known as on tap. And within the parentheses, the OTAP is going to take in a property known as value. The value is basically referring to whatsoever we selected. That is this. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, great. And what we want to do is whenever we click on this, we want to be able to switch this color to this. And in order to do that, we're going to be using a property known as set state. So basically, you basically use the set state in order to update the UI. Okay. And now we can say the underscore page indents is going to be equal to whatsoever value that is selected. Okay, and this is basically it. Use control and S now to save. Wait for this, wait for this, wait for this. Okay, seems good. And now click on this. Okay, seems good. Great. Working as expected. And now what we can also do is within our main.dat file, we can choose a default font, which is going to be used all over our app. You can see basically within the postback.yaml file, we have two types of font, the brown dashboard and the semi dashboard. And what we can do is we can choose a default font, which is going to be used within our entire app. To do this, we have to go to the main.dat file. And within the theme data, it also has a property known as font family. And now we can say we want to be able to use the brand dashboard. Okay, now use control and S to save and go check it out. Okay, you can see now our font is using that brand dashboard. You can as well go for whatsoever font you choose.